Hey there, welcome to Shopify Store Design full course. In this class, we are going to start working on this section. Let me scroll down. We are going to add this section. Let me open Lightshot. This one, and we will add this section fully dynamically so that you can control icon, title and paragraph from the theme customization section without any coding skill. Okay, then we will start working on this footer section. And we have done so far our maximum section one by one, from announcement bar to header, main slider, shop by collection with carousel, dynamic carousel, then p chart collection, also tab, trending product section with tab, and add countdown, dynamic countdown system, also the running tags, testimonial. And now we are going to work on this section. Okay, to do this, first of all we are going to our custom case cover, and I always start work on this theme, then apply on our website home decor, that is mainly developing following this design. Okay, so in the custom case cover, I'm going to scroll down. You see, I have already added this section. Looks here, and it's fully dynamic. So now I'm going to the customize section to show you the dynamic option. That's why click on the online store, then click on customize, and scroll down. Here is the custom p chart section, and you see there is the option shipping title, shipping description, shipping title, shipping description, guarantee title or guarantee description, then shipping icon, support icon, guarantee icon or image. That's when you can control everything from here. And then exist this option, go to the code section. That's why click on this three dot icon, edit code, and here is the code snippet. Now we are going to implement this section or add this picture on our main site, that is home decor store theme. So we have already opened the main page. You see, here is the testimonial, and we are going to add the custom picture section in the footer top section. So go to the admin panel, online store, then click on this three dot icon, edit code, and now open section folder, create a new section, write a section name, for example promo p chart. Okay, promo p chart. Then we simply copy this code from here, but for you have to go to e-commerce thesis to copy this code. Just type on Google e-commerce thesis, then go to my website e-commerce thesis. Then you have to click on the contract as or contract with Faisal. You have to send me an email to get the free code snippet, or you can send me message instantly by WhatsApp. So then you will get the ready code snippet. So when you get the ready code snippet, you have to copy all the code, then you have to paste the code snippet in the file that we have created, promopchart.liquid, under the section folder. So remove all the existing code and Control B, paste all the new code, click on the save. Okay, now exist, go to the customize section, and scroll down, add new section, scroll down, you see custom picture section. You see here is the custom picture section, here is the custom picture section, and we have to upload image, so we are going to add image. Let's find the image. Okay, select free shipping, then select support, then select guarantee. Perfect. Click on the save. So simple and easy process, just reload. Wow, you see we have added, and now we are going to close custom case cover theme. Okay, and we are going to start working on the footer section. Here is the footer section. Okay, so first of all we are going to our footer section in the customize. Here is the footer section, footer. Okay, we have to change the color. So you see there is the 5 color scheme. We are going to add another color scheme. So click on here, then click on color, add new scheme. In the new scheme we are going to use the background color. Directly copy this background color. Okay, we have changes the background color. Click on the save. Okay, now click on here section and change the color scheme 6. Yes, perfect. Save. Then we have to add about content, about us. So going to the footer section again, and then we have to click on the theme settings. Yes, click on here, headline, about us. By this time we are going to add social media icon. Okay, and now go to the theme settings, then scroll down, brand information, add description. Okay, then go back footer again, add a logo just for now. For example, we are going to add this logo. Okay, and now we are going to add block in here. For example, add brand information, then we are going to add another block, tags. Another block will be menu. So we have to check the menu. There will be 2 menu. Perfect. And we have to remove the show social from here. Yes. Okay, and another things, going to remove heading. Perfect. Click on the save. Now we have to add menu, so go back. Okay, to add menu, now you have to click on the content, menus and click on the create menu. Our first menu will be quick link, and menu item will be okay. Just add menu quickly, FAQ. Another menu will be find store location, okay. Privacy policy, okay. Return policy, okay. Tram, we have to add a hash link for blank link. Click on the save. Okay, now go back our online store, customize, open it in another tab, and go to the bottom, footer, quick link, replace, quick menu. Looks good. In the same way, we can add another menu like this one, but I hope you can do this by yourself. I don't want to waste your time, so just going to change the title, but change title and reflex the menu. Yes, okay, perfect. So we have done so far. Now there have very simple things in here, are simple tags that you have to do. For example, we have to make center of this copyright tags. Also we have to remove power by Shopify tags, okay. For this type of tags, you can follow my YouTube channel. You can check out the video description. I have a lot of video tutorials about Shopify tutorials for beginner that you can follow, and you can fix this type of tags or this type of work and make it more professional. And finally, we are going to check our website from the top to bottom. Reload again. Yes, start from here. Remember, this is premium theme and this is free theme. That is the main difference. So first of all, header top menu, slider, scroll down, shop by collection, scroll down, shop by collection, then promo featured collection, then promo featured collection, trending product with tab. You see, we have also trending product with tab. Perfect. Then countdown is the countdown. Then running text with hover effect, same. Testimonial, we have testimonial. And finally the promo featured. This section we have added this section, and at the end of the footer, here is the footer section, we have added the footer section. So I hope you understand everything, how we have designed a Shopify online store following a premium Shopify theme and make it professional. And we have all the ready code snippet. I am ready to provide all the code snippet based on your requirement. Also you can get early access all of my code snippet by joining my membership of this YouTube channel. So thank you for your time to join this class and complete this course. If you think this course is helpful and you have learned something new, something easily as a beginner, then click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. And if you need any service support relevant Shopify, WordPress or SEO, then you can contact with me. And you have a question that I have not shared the product page design guideline, cart page customization, and checkout page, a lot of things, but I have multiple tutorials about this type of topics, like how to make a professional product page, customize it, how to make a professional about us page, company page, contact page, collection page, a lot of things. Also, I have a plan to make video in the upcoming tutorials about these topics for this course only. So hope you will stay connected by subscribing to my YouTube channel, and you can learn a lot of things day by day, and you can make your Shopify online store by yourself without hiring any developer, without any coding skill. So thank you so much for your time. Have a nice day. Bye bye.